Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper and I had to get this out to you guys. Meta keeps coming out with things and I'ma keep making videos for it. The Quest 3 with this new Meta Quest HDMI link app. Let's get right into it. Before we get started, do all that YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, and let's get started. Meta came out with Meta Quest HDMI link app. This app allows you to take anything with a HDMI output and jack it into your headset. What you're going to need is a video capture card. I'll leave a link in the description of the one that I use, but once you have that, anything that you have coming out of HDMI can be jacked in your headset. Right now, you're checking out my computer. You can see that I'm working with my computer right now. 60 frames per second at 1080p. It's smooth as butter. It's fire. You gotta try this if you have the video capture card. It's plain, it's simple, it's easy, it's direct. Check out my PlayStation. Y'all see I'm playing Madden 25, just came out today. And listen, it's playing just like if I was playing it on my OLED without the deep blacks. It's playing great. I can play it, no problem. It's right up in my headset. I can make the screen as big as I want. Earlier, I had it up to 110 inches. Playing Madden on my Quest 3 from the PlayStation. And if you're wondering if the iPad can get in here, boom, check it out, the iPad. Now with the iPad, you're definitely gonna need another piece for the iPad. You're gonna need the USB-C to HDMI adapter. I'll leave a link in the description for that too, but you're gonna need that as well. Once you got that, then you just plug your HDMI cord up into that and boom, it's working just like normal. I suck at iPad games, but boom, there you go. Here you go, me playing Sonic Racing with my iPad. You want to know if your phone can work in here too? Yeah, same thing. Plug in your phone using that adapter piece from your phone to an HDMI out right up into your headset. Now you can have your phone in one window while you got remote desktop up or YouTube or whatever you want to do up, and it's running for you right there. And with V69, you can have your Windows pinned inside any app. So you can have your phone up, if that's what you want, up inside your app as you plan. So if you're getting a text message, you're on Discord, anything like that, you can answer right then and there. I wanted to get this out to you guys. This news out real quick. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. When news come, I try to get it out to you guys. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
He'll go down. If this quarterback's offensive line had as much fight as he does, I don't think they'd be in this series.